Yeah, we have this question to solve, which is solve the second differential plus 4 times 4 differential plus 6y equal to this. And we have some values here. Y of 0 is this, and this one is this. Okay, this is under initial value problems. Okay, so and we're using Laplace transform. So step one is to take Laplace of the equations. The Laplace of uh, this one plus 4y prime plus 6y equal to Laplace of what? 1 plus e this. Okay, so and that will be equal to Laplace of this y of g plus Laplace of the 4 can come to the front, y prime, y prime, y prime of g plus 6 can also come to the front, that will be Laplace of what? Y. Okay, and that will be equal to Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of e minus t. So get the second step is to get the Laplace transform. So for each of those expressions. So this one will be equal to we have a table for that, which will be s squared Laplace of y of t plus minus xy of 0 minus y prime of 0. So that's the second differential Laplace transform on the second differential. Then the second one, that will be 4 is outside. And the first differential Laplace transform, that will be x Laplace of y of t, then minus y of 0. That's then plus 6 Laplace of y, Laplace of y. And the right hand side will be equal to 1 over x, Laplace of 1, then plus 1 over x minus 1. That's plus. So this one, from the condition we are given, this is equal to 0, y of 0 is 0. This one is also equal to 0. So these two expressions cancel. This one also cancel out 0. So we can factorize the Laplace from the equation. So we have s squared from here, then followed by 4 times this, 4x, followed by plus 6. So that's Laplace of y of t equal to 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 1. So this will now become, we can combine this one together, this one times this one, that's x plus 1, this one times this one plus x all over x into bracket x plus 1. And this will be equal to s squared plus 4x plus 6, Laplace of what? Laplace of y of t. So we now have if you make the Laplace the subject, you have Laplace of y equal to, this will be 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 all over x over x plus 1 into brackets s squared plus 4x plus 6. So we have this. Okay. So and this expression can be solved partially, partial fraction. You can use a partial fraction to solve this expression before getting the. You can solve this one in using partial fractions. Okay, and this will now become a over this plus b over s plus 1. Then this is quadratic, and you can't factorize it. Okay, you can't turn it to linear factor. This one is a linear factor. This one is a linear factor. So in that case, now this will give you cx plus d all over s squared plus 4x plus d plus 4x plus sorry for that, plus 6 plus 6. So multiply through by this denominator here. So now you have 2x plus 1 equal to a into bracket. This will go here, and that will be s plus 1 into bracket s squared plus 4x plus 6, then plus b also. From here, this one will cancel. Then you have bx into brackets s squared plus 4x plus c. Okay. Then lastly, plus cx plus d into brackets. This also will go. You just have x into bracket x plus 1 and that. So that's what we have on that case. Then the next thing to do now is to look for ways that certain variables can A, B, C, and D are constants that we want to find. Okay, so what we can do now is to substitute for x value. Okay, whereby when we substitute, certain expression will go and it will give us just one of the unknown. Okay, one of the constants. So let's make let x be equal to what? -1. So if you substitute that, that will minus that will be 2 times -1 plus 1, which is -1 equal to. If you substitute your x equals -1, this will go. Here also will go. Then we can have b into bracket -1 into bracket. We substitute this one here, that will be 1 minus 4 plus 6. So that will go to -1 into bracket b into -1. 1 minus 4, that's -3, plus 6, that's 3. Minus a is here, minus a is here, so b is equal to what? 1 over 3. Okay, b equals 1 over 3. So with that now, b is 1 over 3. Let's get the other variables. Let's get the other constants. So let's x be equal to, what can we substitute again? Use -1. Just let's pick x equal to 0 here. S equal to 0. So we have 1 here. If s equal to 0, this expression here will cancel out. This one will cancel out. Then we can get a. So now we got what? A into brackets 1. If you do this one, 1, 0, 0, that's 6. So a is 1 over 6. A is 1 over 6. Then the other thing we can do now, we need two more other constants. We need c and we need d. So what we can do is to look for small values and substitute for x function. So let's pick x equal to 1. Let x equal to 1, and that will be equal to 3 on the left hand side. And this will be equal to this 1. We have a, this one, 1 plus 1, that's 2. That's a, 2 into bracket. If you substitute 1 here, 1 plus 4 plus 6, that's 11. Plus the b, that will be b times 1. B times 1 times 11. The quadratic expression, put 1 there, that's 11. Then plus this one here, to give us c plus d. This is 1, and this is 1 times 1 times 1 plus 1, that's 2. So that's giving us 2 into brackets, 2 into brackets c plus d. Okay, and that will be equal to 3 into brackets. This one times this one, that's 22a plus 11b plus 2c plus 2d. Okay. Already we have value for a, which is 1 over 6. We have value for b also, which is 1 over 3. I think yeah, b is 1 over 3. 11 over 3 plus 2c plus 2d. So this is 3. You can use a calculator. This will be 3 minus 2 here, 11, 2 here, 3, that's 11 over 3. This one also minus 11 over 3 equal to 2c plus 2d. So minus 13 over 3 equal to 2c plus 2d. So we can call this one equation 1. Okay. So we've used x equal to 0, we've used x equal to 1, we've used x equal to -1. We can also get just one more equation so that we can solve it in the simultaneous equation. Okay, let's pick Q one more, maybe s equal to 2. Let's say s equal to 2. Let s equal to 2 or minus 2. S equal to 2. If s equal to 2, we're going to have 2 times 2 plus 1, that's 5, equal to a into bracket, x plus 1, that's 3, that's 2 plus 1, and then here you have 2 square, that's 4 plus 8 plus 6, and that will give us 18. That will give us 18. Give us 18. Then plus b times 2. The quadratic is 18. The quadratic expression, if you put 2 there, you have your 4 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 18. Then we'll come back to this, which will be plus 2c plus d, 2 times c, that's 2c plus d equal to, into brackets, 2 again into brackets, 2 plus 1, that's 3. So we now have 5. We know the value of 3 times 18, that's 54a, plus 36b, and then a plus 2c plus d times 6. And then we know our a, 54 times 1 over 6, plus 36 times 1 over 3, plus 2c plus d, bracket 6, equal to 5. So we have 5 equal to 54 over 6, that's 9, that's 6, then plus 9, 36 times 1 over 3, that's 12, that's 9, then plus 36 times 1 over 3, that's 12, plus 12c plus 60. Okay, and this will give us 9 plus 12, that's 21. This 5 plus 12c plus 60. You can move this on to the other side. That will be 5 minus 21. That's minus 16. Equal to 12c plus 60. Okay, question 2. So we can now combine the two equations together. We can combine with the first one, minus 13 over 3 equal to 2c plus 2d, minus 16 equal to 12c plus 60. So that's all we have there. Okay. So we can multiply this equation 1 times 3. And that will give us is it times 3? Times 6. Times 6. Okay, that will be 12c plus what? Plus 12 d. We want the coefficient to be the same. Okay, so times 6 equation 1. So and this one also times 6. Okay, so we can now solve these two equations together by subtracting. If you subtract them, we cancel, then we can get this one. 6d minus 12d minus what? Minus 6d. So d is equal to what? 10 over minus 6. And that's equal to minus 5 over 3. So with that, we can get the other variable using any of the equation, either 1 or 2 or 3. If you're using 1, then you have minus 13 over 3 equal to 2c plus 2d. And d is what? Minus 5 over 3. Okay? That minus 13 over 3. This is minus 10 over 3. Move it to the other side. That's plus 10 over 3 equal to what? 2c. So, and that will be equal to what? Minus 1. That's minus 1 equal to what? 2c. C is equal to what? Minus half. So with all the constant gotten now, that will now take us back to this uh, this expression. Okay, that will take us back to this place. Okay, and already we have expression for this. Okay, so we'll go there now and substitute what we've done so far. So that will be equal to Laplace of y of t equal to a is what? Our a is 1 over 6, 1 over 6 over x plus our b is 1 over 3, 1 over 3 x plus 1. Okay, then our c is minus half plus minus half. Our d is what? Our d is minus 5 over 3. 5 over 3 all over s squared plus 4x plus 6. Okay, we're using this expression, this line. Okay, and already we have expression for this, which is this one here. Okay, so that's what we are doing. So what we're going to do now is to want y of t. So take inverse of both sides. So we take inverse of Laplace of a function to give you this. And that will be equal to what? Inverse of what? Of 1 over 6 x plus 1 over 3 x plus 1, and then plus minus half minus 5 over 3 1 over s squared plus 4x plus 6. Okay, then don't forget that this your s squared plus 4x plus 6 you can turn it to perfect square. Okay, so and that will be equal to what? X plus 2 squared. You take one here. Okay, and the half of 4 is what? Plus 2. Okay, that half you are adding, also subtract it out and square that. Plus what? Plus 6. And that will give you x plus 2 all square plus 2. And we can make it also x plus 2 square plus root 2 all square. Okay, so we now have y of t equal to inverse of this, that will equal to 1 over 6 Laplace of what? Inverse of half 1 over x. 1 over 6 can be taken out of that, so then plus 1 over 3 inverse of 1x plus 1. Then here we're going to do something here, since plus, look at what we have here, s plus 2 plus this, and you have a single x there, so we can just do like this, minus half into bracket. Anywhere you see your x, put what there? Put s plus 2 there, s plus 2 there all over, and then minus what? 5 over 3. Minus 5 over 3. But here we are going to do something there. It can't be 5 over 3 again, but just a minute, s squared plus 4x plus 6. So what I'm going to do there is I want to expand this half into bracket s plus 2. That's what we have there, and that will give us minus x. That will minus half. Okay, then minus half times 2, that's minus 1. That's okay, minus 1. So it's going to be minus 1. What we are trying to do now, want to see if if you open this one, it's going to give you minus this, then minus 1 minus 5 over 3, which probably will be more or less than 5 over 3. Okay, so what we want to do now is we have minus 1. Okay, the first one here. So we want to find out what is going to be the remaining part here, because we don't know yet. So we want to see what is the remaining part in this place. What is the remaining part in this place? Okay, so we can call that one unknown equal to what? Minus 5 over 3. And that will be equal to what? That will be equal to a equal to minus 5 over 3 plus 1. That will give us minus 2 over 3. Minus 2 over 3. So here now, we now have what? We now have minus 2 over 3. So it will be minus 5 over 3. And if you open it now and see, this is minus half x plus minus 1 minus 2 over 3. Can you combine these two numbers together? If you combine it, you're going to get your minus 5 over 3. Okay? Which is what? Minus 1 minus 2 over 3. Minus 5 over 3. Okay? So that's your stats. So the first part you have, okay, that's the first part. The second one you don't know. Okay, you don't know. Plus a equal to whatever equal to what? Minus 5 over 3. So by the time you do that, you get what? The actual number that will be there. Okay? So then the next thing to do now, we can now begin to 1 over 6. Inverse of 1 over x is what? Is 1. Okay? Plus this will be 1 over 3 e minus t. Okay? Then here we are going to break it. That will be half into brackets x plus 2 all over x plus 2 squared. We're going to separate that plus 2 square. Okay, then followed by what? Minus 2 over 3 all over x squared all over x plus 2 square plus root 2 square. What I did is just to break into two parts. And that will be this over this over this. And this one is already turned into perfect square. Okay, so that will be so in that case now we now begin to do some adjustments. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3 e minus t. This one will be equal to what? Half into bracket e minus 2 minus this, and then cos what? Cos root 2t. Then here we need to do some adjustment here. Okay, the 2 over 3 can come down. 2 over 3 can come down. Then if you come down, if you go outside, we expect to have what? We expect to have root 2 here because we have root 2 square here. And if you introduce it here, then you need to cancel it outside 1 over root 2. Okay? And that will be equal to what? And that will be equal to exponential minus 2t sine root 2t. And that's the answer for that. That's the answer for that. Okay, the only thing you can do more is 2 over 3 times 1 over root 2. So this root 2, you can remove it from there. Root times root 2 times root 2. And that will be equal to what? Root 2 times root 2, that's 2. So it cancels out this. And that will give you what? Root 2 over 3. So this one can turn to root 2 over 3 if you want. Okay, so that's your start on this particular question. Okay, that's that on that particular question.